Oh. I hit my own stuff too fast. Stupid son.
Why is he always so concerned where I'm going with you?
Because I got sunglasses.
Come on, Mariah.
Who wants to wear a pair of sunglasses?
I do.
Alright. Oh yeah, I want some sunglasses. I only have one pair.
I'll tell you, what you asking me for if you're going to wear them?
Shoot, I'm gonna put my shirt straight.
Oh, son. I love you. They have pink on them, you don't want to wear them. Not that hair. I'll probably look retarded as I'll get up.
What?
Be
really bad if this thing broke. That'd be funny as hell.
Oh, God.
I don't want to be the one to die, though.
I know, there's people.
People?
People.
They would finish that with Sean.
Oh, what the fuck? Leave me alone.
Boom, boom.
Wait, we should act like we're driving. No, the carriage. And then after this, we should act like we're caged animals.
I'll be a penguin. A penguin? I'll be the tiger.
I want to be a monkey.
You can be the hippopotamus. I'm just kidding.
I will get off this thing.
I was talking to Mariah.
I don't know, do you have I Kiss a Girl? Or Hot? Hot in your coat, you
I love that song.
Get scared of him.
Don't trust that nappy hoe.
Yeah, never trust her. I love you, Kelsey. I'm just kidding.
I won't threaten you, but I'll kick her ass because you said that.
Threaten me.
Are you getting down, Kelsey?
Yeah.
That was not as hard as I thought it was going to be.
Ow, my foot. Laying it wrong.
Here, hold this. Oh, you can turn it on.